Everybody that walks through our front door loves the view. When you walk in the front door, you look straight through the home and down the pool. Hi, I'm Connie Wise, and our home was built 2 years ago by Tallen Builders. We call it Crane Hill Farm. John and I have been married for 33 years, and this is our dream home. We chose Tallen right from the beginning because we knew that they would offer us just a different level of personal attention. Steve Allen with Tallen Builders was here from the very beginning. He was here with us when we purchased the property. He did a fabulous job and was with us to support us all the way through the build. We love our house being really open, and that's one reason this house plan appealed to us so much, because you can open all the doors and just wander around. It's just great. There's no room that's off limits. We have a farm here, and having all travertine tile floors is terrific because we don't take our boots off at the door. We just wander through. So, you know, it's really great. I had a friend come by one day who said, "I love your laundry room more than any home I have ever been in." We spent a lot of time with this magnificent trim carpentry group from Tallen Builders. I love the ceiling in the living room. I love the ceiling in the dining room. I love the ceiling in the family room. They did things that I had never even thought of before. Things that were so much better than anything I would have selected, and it just makes the house. This was the cleanest job site anyone has ever seen. I think most people, when they sit down to build a home, they think they're just going to be in a couple of months and it's just going to take about 90 days, and that's not how it works. I think the best thing for anybody to do if they're thinking about building a custom home is to try to get your plan selected, try to sit and put the plan down, work all the way through it, think of every room from front to back. I think Tallen Builders loved this project as much as we did. I think Tallen offered us a level of personal attention that I don't know that we would have ever gotten with anyone else.